Alrighty.
Hi everyone, my name is Todd Young from Wayne State College. I'm a professor of physics and astronomy here. I wanted to talk to you high school students about the total solar eclipse coming up and about eclipse safety. So the first thing I thought we could talk about is what exactly is happening. And so you can see me behind me here, I've got some great pictures. Over here is actually a picture of the sun. So we're actually going to pretend that that's the sun. And here is our planet Earth, of course. And here is the United States, and of course we're right about here. And so the idea is that on this particular day, on Monday, the United States is going to be facing the sun for the daytime and the afternoon. But what's going to be remarkable is that the moon, which is going to be my fist, and this is actually about the right size for the moon compared to the Earth. It's about 1/4 the size of the Earth. The moon is going to move exactly in between the Earth and the sun. Now the shadow of the moon, because it's so small and its distance from the Earth, actually there's only a very small part of the shadow that actually hits the surface of the Earth. And anybody who actually that shadow passes over, that's who's going to see this total solar eclipse, where for a certain amount of time, like 2.5 minutes or less, the moon will move perfectly in between the Earth and the sun and block out all of the sun's light. But again, that's only for a very limited amount of people. Now for everybody else that's nearby, the moon will come close to blocking out all of the light from the sun, but not quite, right? So you'll get what's known as a very deep partial eclipse, but not total. And that's what it's going to be for everyone in South Sioux City, is that the moon will cover up about 95% of the sun's light. And so about 1 o'clock in the afternoon approximately, there'll only be 5% of the light still shining past the sun. So it will appear to be very dark. It'll certainly seem like the sun is about to set, but it isn't, right? Because the sun will still be straight overhead. So it'll be a remarkable phenomenon for everybody to enjoy. But we have to enjoy it safely, because even that 5% of the light carries enough UV light, ultraviolet radiation, that it can still burn the back of your eyes. Remember, UV light is what burns your skin if you don't properly put on suntan lotion or sunscreen. So even that 5% will still burn your eyes. And what's going to be difficult is that the sun will be so dark that it will be tempting. It won't hurt your eyes to look at the sun because the light will be so dim. But again, that 5% will still hurt your eyes. And so that's why at all times, if you are going to look at the sun, you still have to be wearing a pair of eclipse glasses like this, or looking through some sort of a telescope with a solar filter or something like that. So whatever you do, do not look at the sun during this eclipse without some sort of safety protection. Now, I know that you are old enough, and I think you get that, so you also, if there are younger kids nearby, please help them remain safe too, because they might not understand that as well. So I hope this helps understanding your day as well as keeping everybody safe, and I thank you.